Top 5 Best Practices for Apache Airflow Orchestration. In this video, we'll explore essential strategies for orchestrating efficient, scalable, and secure data workflows using Apache Airflow. You'll learn how to design effective DAGs, optimize task execution, implement error handling, ensure scalability, and apply security best practices. Welcome to our exploration of Apache Airflow's orchestration capabilities. Did you know that a well-orchestrated data pipeline can boost efficiency by over 50%? In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 best practices for leveraging Apache Airflow to enhance your data workflows. These practices are crucial for anyone looking to optimize their data pipeline strategies. Stay with us as we uncover actionable insights that could transform your approach to data orchestration.
Our first best practice focuses on designing efficient directed acyclic graphs, DAGs. DAGs are the backbone of Airflow, representing the workflow of tasks. A well-designed DAG ensures clarity and maintainability. Start by creating clear hierarchies. This means defining dependencies between tasks without making it overly complex. Utilize parallelism to speed up execution where possible. Naming conventions matter, so use descriptive names that reflect the job's purpose. Consider modular design by breaking down large DAGs into smaller, manageable components. Finally, regularly monitor DAG performance to identify bottlenecks and optimize them.
Optimizing task execution times is crucial for the efficiency of your workflows. Begin by analyzing task execution patterns to identify slowdowns. Efficient scheduling can drastically reduce wait times. Use cron expressions to match task execution with optimal system load times. Implement retries and timeouts for tasks to handle occasional failures without derailing the entire DAG. Leverage Airflow's capability for parallel execution to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, reducing overall runtime. Regularly monitor task performance metrics to continually refine and improve execution times. Robust error handling is essential for resilient workflows. Airflow provides built-in features for error tracking. Utilize these to log errors and send notifications when failures occur. This proactive approach ensures that you can address issues before they escalate. Develop a retry strategy that allows tasks to rerun after encountering errors, ensuring that transient issues are automatically resolved. Logging is your best ally in debugging, so ensure comprehensive logs are maintained for all tasks. By focusing on error handling, you build robustness into your pipelines, minimizing downtime and enhancing reliability.
Scalability is a key consideration for growing organizations. Airflow's architecture supports scalability through worker nodes, allowing you to distribute load effectively. Efficient resource management is critical. Ensure your system can handle increased loads by optimizing resource allocation. As your data grows, your workflows should scale seamlessly. Airflow offers features like Celery and Kubernetes executors designed to support scalability. Let's look at a case study where a company successfully scaled their Airflow deployment to handle millions of tasks daily, showcasing the potential for growth when scalability is prioritized.
Security is paramount in any data workflow. Securing your Airflow deployment involves several strategies. Start by implementing robust user access controls to ensure only authorized users can modify workflows. Encrypt sensitive data to protect it at rest and in transit. Utilize role-based access control, RBAC, to define what actions users can perform, enhancing security. Regularly monitor your system for potential security breaches, and use Airflow's logging features to track access and changes. By prioritizing security, you protect your workflows and maintain the integrity of your data. Airflow plugins allow you to customize and extend the platform's capabilities. Plugins can introduce new operators, sensors, or hooks tailored to your specific needs. For instance, you can leverage community-developed plugins like the Google Cloud or AWS plugins for seamless integration with cloud services. Developing custom plugins involves defining the functionality you need and coding it to fit within Airflow's architecture. The benefits are clear. Plugins enhance flexibility, allowing you to tailor Airflow to match your organization's unique requirements. This customization can lead to more efficient and effective data workflows. Integrating continuous integration and deployment, C/CD, into your Airflow setup can revolutionize your workflow management. C/CD automates the deployment process, ensuring that changes are tested and deployed quickly and reliably. Tools like Jenkins, GitLab C, or GitHub Actions can be integrated with Airflow to streamline this process. Best practices include maintaining a robust version control system to track changes and facilitate rollbacks if necessary. Let's explore a case study where a company successfully implemented C/CD, drastically reducing deployment times and improving workflow reliability. Let's recap the top 5 best practices for Apache Airflow orchestration. We've explored designing efficient DAGs, optimizing task execution, implementing error handling, ensuring scalability, and securing workflows. These strategies can significantly impact your data workflow's efficiency and reliability. We encourage you to apply these practices in your organization and share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Stay tuned for future content where we'll dive deeper into advanced Airflow topics.